Hi everybody, welcome back, or hello if you're new. My name is Fab. Today we're looking at 4 palettes that came from a Sea Beauty haul. I made a shop at Look Healthy store and came away with 4 palettes that are all new to me. Some are new brands to me and some aren't. So this is the first one. Look how gorgeous is that packaging. Super nice. This is the inside. Looks like that. Pretty colours, right? It makes me feel very summery. The next one is from Narimi, and it looks like that. I have quite a stock of their palettes, and this is the inside. Gorgeous, gorgeous colours. They do some really nice packaging. I mean, just look at that. We will get close up with all of these. The next one is from Shellwe. It's come in this super posh box, and I love the fairy on the front. So yeah, I am so glad that I got that. The palette itself is really small, as you see. You can get these in large sizes or small sizes. I got the small one just in case I wasn't that keen on it, and I have a massive collection, so I wanted to make sure that I would at least have a chance of using it up. And then the last one came in this lovely packaging. It's got this beautiful wax seal on it that has a rose. It's very neutral colour story. This is from Yizhi, and the packaging is kind of velvety. And again, it's a small one. This is its only size that it comes in. And there it is. Those shadows, there's only 2 shimmers in this, but they both look amazing, and one is definitely a holochromatic shade. So yeah, let's get down and have a closer look at all of these and swatch them out. Okay, starting first of all with the Yizhi. It's the Cloud Garden collection Chameleon eyeshadow palette, and this one is 9 Spring. There's nothing on it really other than that to tell you, but look how sweet is this. This is very pretty. It's kind of Georgian. I really like it. I love the fact that it came in this grease-proof package as well, with the beautiful seal. Just see the rose on there. That is so pretty. I will repurpose that for something else for sure. Okay, so we've just got the 2, 4, 6, 7 shades in here, going from dark brown, couple of mid-tones, couple of really light shades, and then 2 fantastic shimmers. So let's get these swatched out so you can get a feel for the palette. Okay, starting with the dark brown. Oh, see, that's proper pigmented. And I know people say that Chinese beauty, the mattes are meh, but they're really not. There's plenty of pigment in these. And I'm just rubbing them very lightly. Okay, then the next one. These don't have any names, by the way. So we've got a warm one and a cooler or more neutral shade. This pale pink. Oh, wow, that is lovely. Perfect. And then the cream, which of course you can use to blend out any of these others. That is super pretty. Okay, moving on to the shimmers. We've got this gorgeous brown shimmer here. Oh, that is beautiful. And it has little flecks throughout it of various different shades, different colours in there. That is really pretty. And then this one, which for all the world looks like it's got a bunch of holochromes in it. And it does. Oh my God, look at that. Okay, that is beautiful. By the way, this is my first palette from these people. They have others in this same format that were a lot more colourful, but for some reason I just really was drawn to this, and I think it's just a perfect palette for me for everyday use. That is gorgeous. Okay, whilst my arm is drying, just to let you know that they did also send me some freebies. So I have this Misty Rain Hydrating Black Facial Mask. They've sent me these before, not this particular one, but others, and they are excellent actually, so that's great. It feels really juicy in there. Also, these, which are towels, they're like, I wouldn't expect they'd be biodegradable, but they're really thick, like waffly, makeup removing type paper towels. And then they sent me one of these brushes. So they sent me one from this company before, The Garden in the Artist's Hands, it says on it, and they're lovely. and I loved the last freebie they sent me. I loved it so much. I then made an order and bought 3 more of a different kind of brush in this range, and they are absolutely excellent. For me, this one's going to be used, it's a triangle shape, if you can see the tip of it. This one I will use for applying my eyeshadow primer. But yeah, freebies, so thank you to Look Healthy store for that. Okay, the next palette to have a look at is this one from Narimi. Do you see what I mean about the artwork? It is gorgeous, and this one was called the Pegasus Night 8-Color Chameleon Eyeshadow Palette. So Pegasus Night, this one, and this is what it looks like. This is one of their latest ones. They came out with 2 at the same time, but this was the one that I fancied. This colour here, it is the most beautiful pale peachy yellow, so gorgeous. I haven't swatched this yet, so let's do it. Okay, so starting with this one, which is called Scar. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah, I forgot. The shadows are quite powdery, but so pigmented, so beautiful. The brown. Wow, okay, that's nice. It's a kind of grey brown. This gorgeous aqua shade. Oh, wow, okay. Stunning. And then this is called Bandage. And that looks like that. So very pretty. Okay, and then we've got 4 shimmers to go along with those. This one, it's a holographic shade for sure. I will eventually get around to swatching all of my Narimi palettes, but for now, there's this gorgeous icy blue, very little base on it, just very pale, beautiful blue. And then the yellow, also very little base, but oh my goodness, how bright is that? And then the orangey peach at the other end. Okay, wow. Oh my god. And then the pièce de résistance, I reckon, anyway, is going to be this one. Okay, that just feels so soft and so beautiful. And oh, it is. I mean, look at that rainbow in there. Holy crap, it's called Silver Hair. I tried doing silver hair once. It made me look about 150 years old. Honestly, it was terrible. Oh my god, that's so gorgeous. What a beautiful palette. Well worth it just for that shade alone, honestly. And as for this, I love this colour so much. Beautiful. Okay, so that's the Narimi palette. Let's move on to the next one. Alright, the next one is the Dusk Sands palette from The U Cosmetics. They have a few palettes on the Look Healthy store website. This was the one that most appealed to me. It just reminds me of the desert. It looks warm and beautiful, doesn't it? And the change of nail varnish is because I have already swatched this. I filmed it, and then somehow, some way, I deleted it. So here I am doing it again. I have actually used this palette since then, and I can tell you it is fab. These shimmers are quite dry compared to the Narimi formula, not as much kick up, but perfectly blendable and buildable and impactful. So first of all, this yellow, nice. They're all beautiful warm shades, and the gradient here, excellent. So nice. I mean, just that on its own as a look. And then this lovely toffee colour. Looks like that. And then the orange, like that. It is bright. So 6 beautiful shades. Hang on, I've missed one. There we go. And the shimmers are exceptional, so let me show you those. Okay, so we've got this super bright, shiny. I mean, that's just blindingly lovely, isn't it? This one, there's only 4, but wow. That goes for days. It's soft and beautiful, orange, pink, gold. So lovely. And then this is quite a common shade. It's got a red base with a gold flash. Very pretty. And then the pièce de résistance, from my point of view, is this one. which again, just you can spread it for days. And you're seeing bronze and gold from my angle. From this side, I'm looking at green. And yeah, that is beautiful. And as I say, I can speak to the quality of these. They last all day. I had no creasing, even though this one feels quite thick, as does that one. Well, I guess they all do, really. Certainly compared to the Narimi. Nevertheless, they haven't creased on me at all. Okay, normal programming will resume. All right, then last but not least, we've got the Shellwe makeup. And oh my goodness, look at this fairy. She's so lovely, I don't want to get rid of this box. It's the Farasha Butterfly Fairy palette, and it's been out for a while, this one. But I have, as you see, just made the plunge, so I am tardy to the party on this one. The others are all brand new, but this one's not. So let's open it up. The box itself, the outer carton and the component are the same. She is lovely. I love her dress, her wings, everything. There's all the information on the back. It's all in Chinese, so goodness knows, but looks like a 12-month shelf life on that. And here's the colour story close up. This one also has holographic particles. It looks like that one might. Let's see. Let's have a look at these mattes first of all. I'll try and fit them all onto my hand. Okay, beautiful, deep, dark teal, fabulous pink. Again, another one of these turquoise shades. I'm just going to have to suck it up and start using them. This murky green. Okay, that's so nice. Wow. And then this one is not navy. It's more like a really dark Air Force blue. Oh, or grey, actually. It's grey. Nice. Okay, let's do these shinies. Again, no names on these. Suits me fine. Oh, that's just lovely. Okay, it goes green. Nice. And then this one. Pretty. Silver with a very pale green aqua colour. And then, oh, I've missed out the blue. We'll come back to that one. Yeah. Okay, so I can see silver and green. You're seeing pink. And it's full of holographic particles. Oh my god, that's gorgeous. The blue looks like a pretty normal blue shimmer. It is. Oh my god, it goes for days. Look at that. I can just keep swatching it. That's nuts. Wow. Okay, and then finally this one. Oh wow, that is pretty. Do you know these are such a step up from the Elena palette that I also have? And a couple of their other ones. This is so nice. I actually wish I'd bought the larger sized palette now. How annoying. Okay, that's the 4 palettes. Let me just show them to you all together. Okay, there we are. Wow, these are all such different colour stories, right? They couldn't be more different. And they are all equally beautiful to me, all in their own way, completely different. But wow, what a lovely selection. Okay, I will leave it here, call that the end of the video. Do let me know which one was your favourite, and I'll see you soon for the next video. Take care and stay safe, everybody.